Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, your destination for helpful tech tutorials. Today I'm going to guide you through the process of permanently deleting a Gmail account. If you're ready to say goodbye to your Gmail account for good, let's dive right in. First things first, open your web browser and navigate to myaccount.google.com. Make sure you are logged into the Gmail account you wish to delete. Once you are on My Account page, go to Data and Privacy on the left side panel. Scroll down till you find Delete Your Account option. Click on Delete Your Google account. Google will then provide you with some information about deleting your account details. Take a moment to review the information. Once you have reviewed the information, scroll down and check the boxes. Finally, click on Delete Account. And that's it. Your Gmail account is now scheduled for deletion. Keep in mind that it may take some time for the process to complete, and during this time, you will still be able to access your account if you change your mind. I hope this tutorial helped you navigate the process of permanently deleting your Gmail account. If you found it useful, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tech tutorials. Until next time, take care and stay safe. Thanks for watching.